G'day guys, Rob Cowie, the CEO of the HenCo Group, the team behind Move Yourself Trailer Hire Australia and U-Haul Australia. We're Australia's largest trailer hire network, but still owner operated, which means we care about our people, we want to grow together. Right now, we're looking for hands-on, self-motivated people to join our team at HenCo Group. If this sounds like you, this could be the opportunity that you've been waiting for.
Do you love being on the road, solving problems, and working with autonomy? HenCo Group is looking for regional and metropolitan service technicians around Australia to keep our fleet of trailers on the road. At HenCo, our culture is built around 5 key values. We back our people, investing in their growth and giving them real ownership of their work. We're customer-focused, going the extra mile to deliver. Collaboration is how we solve problems together. We believe in growth, not just for the business, but for every team member. And most of all, we value authenticity, being honest, real, and doing what's right. As a HenCo service technician, you're the face of our business on the ground. Based out of our regional and metropolitan hubs, you'll travel to service and maintain our nationwide fleet of hire trailers. You'll work independently in the field, inspecting, repairing, and keeping our trailers road ready and safe. This role is perfect for someone who's self-driven, hands-on, and enjoys variety in their work. And while you're out there, you're never alone. You're part of a network that shares knowledge, supports each other, and values communication. This isn't a desk job. It's a lifestyle for someone who values freedom, variety, and autonomy. We invest in our people, and we do what's right every time. So if you've got a trade background or experience with trailers, love a bit of travel, and want a role where you're trusted to get the job done, we want to hear from you.
At HenCo, we're more than just trailers. We're about building a team that supports each other and delivers great customer service. So, if you're ready to hit the road with us, be hands-on and make a real difference, get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.